Hello everyone and welcome back to the DBMS revision series. आज हम DBMS का एक बहुत ही important topic समझेंगे जो exams or interviews दोनों के लिए absolutely crucial है. So if you're an SPPU MCA student following the 2025 pattern, you're exactly in the right place. Today we're tackling Unit 4, Introduction to Transactions. Now listen, I know database management systems can sometimes feel kind of dry, but I promise you, this is literally one of the simplest, highest scoring topics in the entire syllabus. We're going to clear all your fundamentals right here, right now, so you can walk into that exam hall or your next technical interview feeling completely confident. Let's get started.
We've all experienced this absolute heart attack moment, right? You're at a cafe, you scan the QR code to pay a friend for a coffee, you punch in your PIN and boom, your screen says payment processing. Then you get that dreaded text message from your bank, amount deducted. But your friend checks their phone and no way, they haven't received a single rupee. Paise aakhir gaye kahan? Did the money just vanish into thin air? Well, this panic-inducing scenario is a classic example of a system crash causing data inconsistency. If our databases didn't have a safety net, your money would actually be permanently lost in the digital void. Okay, let's dive into this, because the ultimate solution to preventing this exact disaster is exactly what we call a DBMS transaction.
Quickly, here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. What is a transaction? 2. A real-life ATM example. 3. Its importance in DBMS. 4. The exam point of view. And 5. A quick revision summary.
Let's move to Section 1. What is a transaction? The core concept.
The absolute most important phrase you need to remember here is single logical unit of work. Think of it like this. एक transaction सिर्फ एक single action नहीं है. It's actually a bundle of smaller operations grouped together. To the database, it's one, completely unbreakable unit. And the rule is incredibly simple. या तो सभी steps एक साथ succeed होंगे या फिर सब fail होंगे. There's literally no halfway. If even one tiny step fails, the database hits undo and rolls everything back to exactly how it was before you even started. It's an all-or-nothing approach, and that's what keeps your data completely safe. Moving on to Section 2, the real-life ATM example, and a step-by-step breakdown.
Now what's really interesting here is how this works in our daily lives. Imagine you go to an ATM to withdraw 2,000 rupees. To you, it just feels like one simple action, right? But the database actually sees 4 distinct steps. Step 1. The database checks if you have enough balance. Step 2. It deducts 2,000 rupees from your account. Step 3. The ATM machine physically dispenses your cash. And Step 4. The database permanently updates your final balance. Now, ध्यान से सुनो. Imagine a system crash happens right after Step 2. Your balance is reduced, but cash बाहर नहीं आया. Absolute panic, right? This is exactly why these 4 steps must be treated as one single transaction. जब system recover करता है, it realizes Step 3 didn't happen, so it automatically reverses Step 2. आपका एक भी रुपया waste नहीं होगा.
All right, Section 3. Importance in DBMS. Why do we actually need this?
Transactions are basically the invisible heroes of our modern digital world. Just look at railway reservations, like booking a Tut-Call ticket on IRCTC. Imagine there's only one window seat left on the whole train, and millions of concurrent users are trying to book it. 2 people click Book Now at the exact same millisecond. Without transactions, system confuse ho jayega, and it might assign the same seat to both people, leading to massive chaos. Transactions ensure that one person's booking process is completely isolated from the others. Same logic apply with flash sales and online shopping may. Transactions guarantee that a product is safely deducted from inventory without double selling, or ye sabhi data ko protect karta hai, even if the server suddenly loses power. Section 4. Exam point of view and how to score full marks.
So, the crucial point is, whenever you get a question on this topic, मैं strongly recommend करूँगा कि आप एक direct comparison table draw करें. Examiners absolutely love structured answers. You just make 2 columns. On the left, list without DBMS transactions, and there you'll highlight data loss, user conflicts, and unreliable systems. On the right, contrast it with DBMS transactions, emphasizing guaranteed consistency and smooth crash handling. Ye visual comparison instantly shows the examiner that your concepts are crystal clear. It's basically full marks guaranteed.
Finally, Section 5, Quick Revision Summary. Let's do the final wrap-up.
If you forget everything else from Unit 4, just remember this one golden rule. Transactions keep databases safe,
consistent, and crash-proof by treating multiple steps as one single unit of work. It is the ultimate all-or-nothing safety mechanism. And this brilliantly illustrates how ये आपके bank balance को protect करता है, train tickets को safe रखता है, and ensures the database never enters in invalid state, no matter how many people are using it or how many servers crash.
Think about that for a second. If our banking systems didn't have this basic transaction framework to protect data consistency, the entire global economy would literally collapse into chaos within minutes. That is the true scale and power of what you are learning in DBMS right now. अगर ये explanation or slide notes helpful लगे हों तो like, share, and subscribe ज़रूर करना. Best of luck with your revision, keep studying smart, and I'll see you in the next explainer.